Hey guys, so I got a new setup. So yeah. I'm gonna go on my Discord. Let me go look for the link again. Oof, I'm lying down and it is tiring because my hand is on the floor. Oh my god. Okay. If you guys want to friend me on Discord, here it is. Okay, that's enough. Yeah. See, this is what I do when I'm bored. Okay, so yeah, I can't really just put, I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna sit like this. I'm gonna go to entertainment. I think it's, yeah. So, this is why X died. Let me just go to this link. Never mind. No, I don't want to see that. No. Pause. Oh, no. Pause. So yeah. Hey guys, sorry, I don't know where I left off, but, all I know is that I accidentally paused the video, so, anyways, my grandma died from the moon of the year, I think, because that's why rappers are dying. But I don't know where I left off, but, you know, I'm in the game now, I'm in full screen, so yeah, we're going to be playing, Pet Sim. This is cool. Come on, just kidding. I'm up. Okay, there. Ritz. I know, but it is like but I'm gonna get my guys. But why? Is it weird? It's like, guys. Okay, so my thing is automatically stopped. I hate this recording. I have no idea. Oof. My thing is lagging. My recording, that sucks. Longer video? Like, seriously? Okay, I don't know, I'm over it. Okay, I'm not putting, guys. Guys, so it said my microphone paused. Yo, look at that shit. I'm lagging, yo. Okay, I think, so this is lagging, my recording is lagging. Damn, Daniel. Okay, I'm gonna stop with the memes, okay. Please help me, guys. It's saying my microphone is not working. Is that true? We don't know yet. Don't know why it's stopping, but that is annoying. Really annoying. Of this thing. I don't know. I hate this recorder for some reason. But it's like stopping. Like, guys, help. Help me. I don't know if I should, like, what is that called? I don't know if I should screenshot it. Chess, and then we'll be done playing this game. Cause it's apparently lagging the recorder, I think. I have no idea. Or maybe that would be true, cause I'll full with that, so I'm gonna leave the game. Oof. Okay, that's performing good. Don't know if I should, why? Don't know if I should start, what is that called? Another recorded thing? Don't know. If I should, I have no idea if I should. Okay. So let's play. Yeah, let's play a obby, guys. Let's play a obby. Never played a obby in so long. In computer. I rarely play obbies only on YouTube videos and stuff. Yeah, okay, there we go. Okay, we're in the obby. I'm just gonna relax. Thanksgiving outfit, guys, but I kind of like it. Okay, let's go. This has a lot, and it's daily. I died. Maybe it's because we can't touch the cats. I think. Yeah, there is this. That's good. Aha! I beat you, game. Whoops. Okay, go to spawn. Yes. Okay, so, how I got this recorder was looking at my friends and it said it was recording it. I was like, let's see if it records. So yeah, I'm using it now, and it's actually a bad thing. I don't like it at all. It's kind of glitchy. Don't know why, but it's like I can't even get. When he uses it, it doesn't lag. I don't even see if it lags. It rarely lags though. Oh, I died. Okay, so the error's not coming up, so that's good. I think there's a game. Don't know, but I gotta pay attention to the recorder. If not, it's gonna. I don't like it, to be honest. Screencast-O-Matic, you need to. Screencast-O-Matic, you need to update your recorder if you're watching this, or someone that knows Screencast-O-Matic and could email them. Gonna wait for this. No! No! Why? Why? What? There we go. Out of nowhere. It's impossible, if I could say that. See you, woman? We're weird. There. Okay, good. I did it. Okay. See the pattern. Come on, possible. It is not impossible. And what is going on with my face cam? It's lagging. Okay, never mind. Oh no, I hate these mazes. Let me just stop that. Okay. Didn't. Right there. I don't know if you guys could hear my typing right now of where I'm going right now. But I'm always pressing W even though I have to stop. But I'm pressing somewhere. I don't know why, but it just feels so cool because I'm used to it. Hey, we made it to the end. That stopped, or is lagging, or glitched. I don't know. Yeah, okay, we got that. That's good. We gotta do this, so I'm gonna use this right here. Oh, oof, oof. Okay, I'm just showing you guys with the mic now, because you guys might hate the mic thing that I'm doing. Believe in myself. Roblox, come on, help me, Roblox. Brick Planet. We'll play Brick Planet. Is the clothing part of it too? Yeah, let me play Brick Planet. I haven't played in such long. Yeah, but okay, Brick Planet. I was in their server in Discord, but it's not working anymore. That's weird. Like it says not. Oh. Okay. Let's try again. Some sort of hackers probably, or they might be updating. Don't know. Let's hope they update it and make it look like Roblox, cause they just, I don't like the game. It's just kind of boring. No one even plays it that much either. Oh, let me look at this. Jet streamers. Oh, yep, it's Ninja. It has to be Ninja. Ow. Is it still recording? Okay. Been recording for 10 minutes. Might stop at 11 minutes. I don't know. Anyways, I think I know how my grandma died is because of this video that I can show you on Discord. I'll show you guys. Come on. Entertainment. It's such a hurry because my neck hurts. It just stays up like this. And I'm cramped. I'm cramped, guys. Okay. Entertainment. No. Nintendo meme theme that I sent. Let me actually tune up my volume. Oh, okay. Okay, it's literally up. It's soft on this now. Oh, dang it. I think it could be my free music kit now. You know what? I'm gonna put that in music. Sorry, I'm just making a weird noise. Play. Me. There. How about that? How about that? Oh, who's in this call? Oi, who's in this call? Okay, never mind. That's music, Nathan. Just heard something. That was weird. Oof. Okay. It's weird seeing myself, because I normally don't see myself that much. Anyways, we got this cool music you guys can't hear. You can just hear me. Just going with the rhythm. Let's go to Superpower Train Simulator. I played this again. I mean, I already played that, but that's weird. Who sucks me on Roblox? Dude, lagging. My music bot's lagging. Everything is lagging right now. I'm just frozen. Okay, good. Can you see the text? Now I can like it. Okay, everything is